Looks like Tico's daddy ain't gonna make it.
You disappoint me, Youngie. Changing the location on such short notice. I wonder if you trust me.
Like a father, Wong.
Then take a father's advice. You understand how business will work after this transaction? Dragonclaw have been a part of Hong Kong's history for centuries, Mr. Young. I trust you'll follow the ancient code of conduct, that you'll run an honorable business that we can both be proud of.
Can we cut the crap and get this done? My suit is getting wet.
I need to see the girl first.
So you can blow her brains out in an ancient and honorable manner?
Honor sometimes requires that bad blood be drained.
You think Tico's father would agree?
Fortunately, he's no longer a concern.
You say that like you believe it.
But you're dead!
You couldn't hold him off for just 1 minute.
And all you had to do was show up on time. It was a simple plan.
Your plan has failed, gentlemen. And I have the prize.
So, dramatische Sekunden. Sehr schön. Was denn der? Oh, komm ruhig zu mir. So. Freund. Verdammt, jetzt wird's aber ziemlich kompliziert. Die haben da aber größere Kanonen, ne? Die nehmen wir jetzt einmal.